Loves it. Down over there. Mountain dog. Look at her. Passing. Some good sign for some fish. Feeding fucking frenzy. Shipwreck. Fucking outdoors with bird. There he is, mate. Excited as fuck. Hobby! Actually, a bit treacherous. Oh, you motherfuck. Oh. It's a pretty cool fucking spot. Look at this cunt. Fucking frenzy. Just up on my ship. She could use a bit of repairs. Fuck yeah, mate. Ship way out there. Did I get a fish already? Did he get one? Where is he?
Looks like it's legal.
Oh, what a mate. Oh, we'll go over there.
Yeah.
He's got one on. So you got a net? Bird. Oh, yeah, there it is. Fucking mad cunt. That rock's getting hit with waves and shit. I don't even know how he got there. Outdoors with bird, mate. Let's go at D-scale. Fucking big saws and fucking... Oh, he biffed it away. And he just got another fish. Fucking mad cunt. Get out of here, you mongrels.